welcome to the webinar on APA referencing. There are 4 parts to this webinar. The first part, which is this one, is an introduction to referencing styles. The second part is on the basics of APA referencing. The third part shows you how to format reference list entries, and the final part shows you how to format in-text citations and reference list entries. Referencing is a system or a way of acknowledging the sources that you've referred to in your work. It's a way of giving credit to the original author, and it also helps you to avoid plagiarism. Referencing allows you to separate your ideas from the ideas of others. It allows you to demonstrate the breadth and quality of your reading. It also helps you to reinforce your arguments, and the better the quality of your resources, the stronger your points will be. Referencing enables you to inform your readers of the sources you've used. Your lecturer may even assign you marks based on the quality or type of resources used in your assignment. And finally, referencing enables you to acknowledge contributions from others and to credit the original author. A referencing style means that you have to reference according to a particular set of rules. These rules help you maintain consistency throughout your academic work. There are numerous different referencing styles, and they all have slightly different conventions. The most commonly known styles are Harvard, Chicago, MLA, Vancouver, and APA. APA stands for the American Psychological Association, and the DIT College of Business uses the APA 6 style, which is the 6th edition or 6th version of the APA style. Now, in case you didn't catch that, this is really important. If you are in the College of Business, you should be using the APA 6 style when referencing. So let's go now to the library homepage, and I'll show you how you can get to the APA guide, the DIT Library APA guide. And here we are now at the library homepage. If you ever do have any questions about referencing, just click on email here, key in your details, ask your question, and select the library that you're based in and submit, and the librarian for that college library will get back to you as soon as she or he can. So we'll just get back to the library homepage, and under subject gateways we have 8 set by subject. There's no need to click on it. It'll bring up this box and go to business. Click on this, and under business resources on the last line you'll see the DIT Library APA quick guide. And this is the guide I mentioned to you. You should have a copy of it with you at all times when you're doing your assignments so that you can refer to it each time. So we'll just go back to the webinar itself. And this will just take a second. And this is coming to the end now of the first part of the webinar. And the rest of this webinar will introduce you to the basics of using the APA style. As shown earlier, the DIT Library APA guide can be downloaded from the library website, and it should be used every time you're writing an assignment. And as I've already mentioned, your librarians can advise you on how to reference. Ask at the desk or email ast.library with your query, or as I showed you, just click on email and submit your query there. If you need any help at all, just ask. So this is the end of the basic introduction to referencing and the various styles. Now let's go to the next part and we'll look at the basic rules of APA.